In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Typeform URL. Whether you're rebranding, simplifying access to your forms, or just in need of a refresh, adjusting your Typeform URL can make a world of difference in how approachable and professional your forms appear to your audience. Let's dive right into how you can accomplish this in just a few simple steps, ensuring a smoother experience for both you and your form fillers. First things first, head over to the Typeform website. It's the initial step where all the magic begins. By accessing their homepage, you're on the right track to making the changes you desire. Their website is user-friendly and navigating it is quite straightforward, so you shouldn't have any trouble with this part. Once you're there, your next move is to log into your account. You'll see a login button prominently displayed, likely in the top right corner of the screen. Clicking this will take you to the sign-in page, where you'll have a few different options for how you can log in. For many of us, the quickest way to access our accounts is by using the Continue with Google option. This is a convenient method if you've previously linked your Google account with Typeform. Simply click on this option, choose the Google account you want to use, and you'll be logged in without needing to remember another password. Just ensure you're selecting the account you originally used to sign up, or the one linked to your Typeform account to avoid any mix-ups. After logging in, it might take a couple of minutes for the website to load your account information fully, especially if it's been a while since you last accessed it, or if you have a lot of data stored in your account. This is normal, just give it a minute or two. Next, you'll want to navigate to your profile. You can find this by looking at the top left corner of your screen. There should be a profile icon or your name. Click on it. This step is where you'll start to see options specific to your account settings and preferences. Within your profile area, you'll notice a link or a button labelled admin settings or something to that effect. Click on this. It's in these admin settings where you can manage a variety of aspects related to your account, including the customization of your URL. Now for the main event, changing your URL. Within the admin settings area, you should see an option that says Change URL. Go ahead and select that. This is where Typeform allows you to personalize your account's URL, making it more identifiable and easier to share. After clicking Change URL, you'll find yourself presented with the choice of a standard subdomain. Click on this option. This is where you can alter the text portion of your URL that typically comes right after the https://as. Changing this can drastically impact how easily people can remember and access your form. At this point, a drop-down menu will appear, offering different suggestions or letting you type in your desired URL. Take some time to choose wisely. Your URL should be easy to remember, spell, and relevant to your brand or the specific forms you're creating. This detail is crucial for ensuring your audience can find your forms without any trouble. Finally, once you've made your choice, you'll click on Got it, Change my URL. This action confirms your new URL, and voila, the change is made. Typeform might take a moment to process this change, but once it does, your new URL will be up and running. I recommend doing a quick test to make sure everything is working as it should. Simply open a new browser tab, enter your new URL, and see if it takes you to your Typeform. If everything looks good, you're all set. Your Typeform now has a fresh, new URL that's easier for your audience to access and remembers. Changing your Typeform URL is a straightforward process that can have a significant impact on your form's accessibility and professionalism. By following these steps, you can ensure that your forms are both reflective of your brand and easy for your audience to find. As always, keep your URL relevant, concise, and easy to type. With this newly acquired knowledge, go forth and make your Typeform URLs better than ever before. Happy form building!